Lord Graphics, the beauty of creativity.
Take away my hopes and dreams and just stay with me. Ooh, all my senses come to life while I'm stumbling home as drunk as I have ever been, and I'll never leave again. 'Cause you are the only one, and all my friends have gone to find another place to let their hearts collide. Just promise me you'll never leave again. 'Cause you are the only one. Take my hand and my heart and soul. I will only have these eyes for you. And you know everything changes, but we'll be strangers if we see this through. You could stay within these walls and bleed, or just stay with me. Oh Lord, now all my senses come to life while I'm stumbling home as drunk as I have ever been, and I'll never leave again. 'Cause you are the only one, and all my friends have gone to find another place to let their hearts collide. Just promise me you'll always be a friend. 'Cause you are the only one. Stumbling off drunk, getting myself lost. I am so gone, so tell me the way home. And listen to sad songs, singing about love and where it goes wrong. All my senses come to life while I'm stumbling home as drunk as I have ever been, and I'll never leave again. 'Cause you are the only one, and all my friends have gone to find another place to let their hearts collide. Just promise me you'll always be a friend. 'Cause you are the only one. Oh, I'm a mess right now, inside out, searching for a sweet surrender. But this is not the end. I can't work it out. How? Going through the motions, going through us. And oh, I've known it for the longest time, and all of my hopes, all of my words are all overwritten on the signs when you're on my road, walking me home, 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 home. See the flames inside my eyes, it burns so bright. I wanna feel your love. No, easy baby, maybe I'm alive. Before tonight I wanna fall in love. your faith in my stomach. I messed up this time. Late last night, drinking to suppress devotion with fingers intertwined. I can't shake this feeling now. We're going through the motions, hoping you'd stop. Though I've only caused you pain, you know, but all of my words will always below. All the love you spoke when you're on my road, walking me home, 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 home. See the flames inside my eyes, it burns so bright. I wanna feel your love. No, easy baby, maybe I'm alive. Before tonight I wanna fall in love. Put your faith in my stomach. And for how long I love my lover. For how long I love my lover. Now for how long I love my lover. Now for how long I love my lover. Now for how long I love my lover. I feel love. How long I love. Feel it all. Now I feel love. How long I love. Feel it all. Now I feel love. How long I love. Feel it all. Now I feel love. How long I love. Feel it all. Now I feel love. How long I love. Feel it all. Now I feel love. How long I love my lover. Now for how long I love. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me to come home. No, 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 no. I've been spinning out for time, couple women by my side. I got sinning on my mind, sipping on red wine. I've been sitting here for ages, ripping out the pages. How'd I get so faded? How'd I get so faded? Oh, no, no, don't leave me lonely now. If you love me, how'd you never love? Could free my mind. This is how it ends. I feel the chemicals burn in my bloodstream, fading out again. I feel the chemicals burn in my bloodstream. So tell me when it kicks in. Tell me when it kicks in. I've been looking for love, thought I'd find her in a bottle. God, make me another one. I'll be feeling this tomorrow. Lord, forgive me for the things I've done. I was never meant to hurt no one. I saw scars upon a broken-hearted lover.